welcome back to a new video. Yes, I'm wearing the same shirt that I wore in the Human Made video unboxing because I just shot the Human Made video before this one. So yeah, that's why I'm wearing the same thing, because I don't feel like changing. Why would I want to go change it for a whole new video? Do it matter? No, it don't matter. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe down below. Greatly appreciate that. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. Take 0.5 seconds just to hit the subscribe button if you like the content. Also, if you're already subscribed, hit that like button. That'll help me a lot to get pushed up in the YouTube algorithm. More people can see me, more people come to my channel, more subscribers. Then I become a partner with YouTube and I can start getting paid for this. It ain't gonna be a lot of money, but it's gonna be something to help me offload the shit that I be buying around here. So yeah, if y'all can do that, I'll greatly appreciate it. On the road to 1,000 this year. I know I can get there. I'm not worried about it. But anyway, if y'all can do that, greatly appreciate it. Also, follow me on Instagram, link down below if y'all wanna follow me. No pressure, no big deal. If y'all have any questions, DM me, whatever, chop it up. I don't care. Just follow me. I follow back. I don't care. Again, thank you all for joining me again for another video. So this video is the other brands. I got some shit behind me. Hold on, let me get my Human Made crates out of the way because I had to go dig through my crates to get some of this stuff out. Because I have some crates just for packages that I have and crates for hats, socks, and stuff like that. So I had to go through my crates and get some of the stuff out. So anyway, yeah, I got a couple of brands that I had bought some stuff from. I can't remember who the hell I bought some stuff from because some of this stuff been sitting for a while. Finally got a chance to get everything in that's supposed to come in. All right, so I got a lot of boxes right now. Let me show what I got to go through real quick. Hold up. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes to unbox. So I hope y'all get some kind of entertainment out of this, get an idea of somehow this stuff may look if you're decided on getting it. Who knows? I don't know. But yeah, let's get right to unboxing. I'm just grab whatever I can. I'm not gonna look. Boom, I just grab whatever. What is this? Who is this from? This is from, I don't know, because the name is kind of crossed out. But we're just gonna bust this bitch on. Again, I just bought some of this stuff because I liked it when I came across it. I don't really care what brand it is. If I like something, I'm gonna buy it. So I don't really care if people wearing it or not. But let's see. Blank. Ooh. Nice little polymer bag. Oh, okay, so there's a flannel that I had bought that I had seen. I don't know where I got it from. Oh, this is thick. She thick. Yo, this is really damn thick. Damn. What is this? It's from Twill Market. So this is the flannel that I got. Hopefully y'all can see that. And then look at this damn material. It's really, really, really thick. Really thick. Like, what the hell is this? I don't even have it on the damn tag. Ugh. But anyway, let me show y'all what it looked like on. It's already hot, dog. I still got this long sleeve on from the last video I just did with the Human Made, but fuck it. But fuck. See, I ain't supposed to be saying that. Look at that, man. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying to work on my profanity. I'm trying to limit myself. But it's kind of hard when you amongst the homies while they watching, gotta entertain. But this is what it looks like. Whew. Oh, this be hard, boy. Damn, hard, especially. Hold up. Yeah, I like this. I'm glad I copped this, y'all. This is hard. This is hard. This is really, really thick. So I would suggest, like, I would think the only time I would wear this is like on the springtime. This shit's fire. When the springtime, winter, and fall, and at night during the spring, like mainly during the springtime at night. But yeah, this is a dope flannel. I just like the material. I'm glad I copped this. I'm really glad. I think I got this in a XL. Let me see. I can't remember. The damn receipt may be in the bag, but let me see. Hold on. Damn, they said, nah, bro, you don't need no receipt. But anyway, yeah, it's a large. It's a size large. And yeah, it fits really good. Oh, I just noticed something. Like on the sides, like if you would look, hold on. I know my angle kind of changing. It's kind of weird. I don't know why I'm doing this. I ain't even trying to try something new, but it's just happening right now in the moment. But anyway, yeah, it's like on the side, like would be like right here. Yeah, it had like this like this lacing to tighten it up or loosen it up. So loosen it up to show a little bit more of your shirt, to get a little bit more contrast. So I thought it'd be sick. So fire cop, glad I copped this. This is heavy. This is really heavy. So that's it for that one. This is weird. Let me sit my ass back down. Okay, back to reality. Oh, let's go gravity. Oh, there you go, gravity. Oh, another box. Where we get this from? Oh, this, what's in here? Oh, I can't wait to show y'all. I've been waiting for probably about a month for this. And it's from, since I got my hat from Ebbets, I think that's how you say it, Ebbets. Somebody in the comment section had like broke it down how you say it. So like E-B, Ebb, and B-E-T, yeah, B-E-T-S. So Ebbets, so that's how I guess how you say it. I hope I ain't go too far. He texting me, damn. Ooh, I've been waiting. Man. So you know how I've been taking L's on like the human made, like tigers and stuff, like the human made tiger rug. So I'm like, you know what? Since I've been taking L's on that, this ain't a rug. But I was thinking, I'm like, yo, that sweater's so hot. Okay, I didn't see all this on the website. Like when I seen it, it's just like a regular. Oh my God. So this is the sweater that I got for it. Hold on, I'm turning it down before I show y'all so I can see it a little bit better. Yo, this is so hard. And let me show you something too. I didn't notice this. I thought this was like a print. Hold on, turn it down a little bit. So I thought like the tiger head was printed on, but it's not. This shit is stitched on. And then the lettering is stitched on as well. And it says Osaka. And it's from like, I think like a baseball team. So they do like a whole bunch of vintage teams like Negro League and stuff like that, Japanese League, and old like baseball leagues. So damn, I'm getting darker and darker, good Lord. But anyway, but yes, y'all, I was so damn glad I got this. I got this in the XL. Yeah, sure. So excited I got it. Let's get it, man. Let's go. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just. All right, next. What is this from? I don't even remember where I got this from. Like again, I be ordering so much stuff. Trust me, I have a budget, so I meet my budgets every time when I buy something. And I don't have to go broke, unlike some people. I got so much stuff to unbox. God damn. Oh, okay. So this is my first ever item from Brain Dead. Yes, sir. This the back side of it. What is it? It got like a record or something. I can't really tell. It says 4D Media Company, Brain Dead, and it says Brain Dead Studios. This is on the front side, on the front like left chest, printed. So I always wanted to cop something for Brain Dead, so this is like my first item. Also, hold on, I'm kind of dark. Also, I got a video coming dealing with Brain Dead on By Design. So y'all be on the lookout for that. Y'all be on the lookout for that video. That's gonna be a fire one. Y'all gonna like it a lot. I gotta buy some more hangers. Damn, I gotta buy some more hangers. I should've went to Walmart. I'll do it tomorrow before I go to work. All right, another package. I don't know what package this is. The fourth, I think. Okay, so this is the package I've been waiting on for a long time. I ordered this December 10th, and what it is right now. It came in like a week ago, so I got it in February. So it took me down to 3 months just to get this one tee. Ooh, and I will be keeping this one for the personal. So the tee that I got, if you're a Cudi fan, I'm not really a Cudi fan, I just like his music, but when I seen these tees drop, I had to get them. It says Man on the Moon 3, The Chosen One. And it's puff print. It says Kid Cudi at the bottom. On the back, it says, here that should say, it said Heaven on Earth, I am curious. Oh, Heaven on Yeah, okay, I know what song that's from. But yeah, it just got like an Earth and the Moon. So I thought it was pretty sick. So it's, of course, it's puff print. If you all can see, let me see if I can get a good angle. But yeah, this is puff print. Yeah, this is a better angle of it. Cause like puff print been like the shit lately I've been noticing. So yeah, it's a puff print. I will be rotating this. You can wear any kind of shoes with this shirt because of the colors they have in it. Like you can't go wrong with whatever shoe color you wear, damn near. It gotta be something simple though. This is really, really fire. I'm glad I got it. Shit A1. This shit is A1. This is A fucking one. I see a little bit of like print issues, but I don't care. I will be wearing this. Well, what? I don't know. But anyway, I know I keep looking at my screen. I'm so used to seeing myself in the damn thing. Sorry, y'all. Sorry. Let me live, dog. All right, that's another shirt right there. What else? We got 2 more boxes. Like scissors. I don't know where my knife at. I don't know where this one come from. Oh, this ain't really much in this one. I can tell y'all that right now. Just on something. Okay, second from the last. Oh, damn. Ooh, I didn't know it was that big.
That's what she said.
Michael, please.
There he is.
Please.
Mwah!
There he is.
Come on.
But anyway, I basically got this. I'll just open it so y'all can see it better. You know that, okay. You're like, what was you get a clear ring for? It just said Chinatown Market on it, of course. But this is for the basketball that I had bought a few videos back that I unboxed. So this what this for, so I can sit the basketball on so I won't roll around. Cause I got some stuff downstairs on display. Y'all will see that very soon. Cause this right here, y'all won't really see it that much. Only in videos I'm sitting on my computer, y'all will only see my room. But everything else gonna be downstairs very soon. So y'all stay tuned for that. Man, I ain't know it was this big. I thought like it'd be a smaller one. I don't even care, dog. Shit. So I got a Chinatown Market ashtray. Yes, an ashtray. I will be rolling up on this. Well, really packing. I use papers, raw cones. I'm too lazy to roll up. But anyway, yep. Chinatown Market smiley face made out of roses. Had to cop it. I needed it. Because if you follow me on IG, you see my stories, you see me, you know, indulging and relaxing and enjoying myself, you know. So this is what this is gonna be for. This is gonna go downstairs on probably at the coffee table or something. But yeah, I had to cop this and I ain't really pay that much. I paid $38 for all this, so still. Fuck, I clean this up, bruh. I gotta clean this up. All right, last package. Last package will be. I forgot what it is. I'm terrible at this. I need to start like getting a marker and marking everything so I can remember what it is. But I think that's the kind of fun of it though. At the same time, me forgetting what I ordered and then being surprised when I open it. Oh, now I remember what this is. All right. Woo-hoo. I'm glad I got this because this is gonna go downstairs in our front door. And I just kind of gave it away what it could be, but what it is shit. Knock my damn eye out. But anyway, so what I got is this ice cream doormat, yo. Oh my lord. Tell me that ain't fire. You can't tell me this ain't hard, yo. You can't tell me this ain't hard. So I got this from Proper. I spent it was like $45. I'm like, what? And the way they had it, like it's called Matt, like M-A-T-T-M-A-T. Something like that, I think. But I kind of found it funny because my nickname is Matt, M-A-C. So I just thought it was funny. But anyway, the details on this is so A1 steak sauce. Look at this. Like, I don't know. It's like, I don't know if the camera gonna pick it up how they printed this into the mat. But yeah, you see like the print is like pushed down. Like the white ink just pushed down this part for them to do this. Yeah, this is clean. This is clean. This is going downstairs soon as I get done. But yeah, it's the doormat. Shit hard. And the match my shirt. Can't go wrong with that. Yeah, this ice cream. What is it, fox? Is it the fox or the dog? I can't remember which one it was. But yeah, I'm so glad that I got this stuff. I will be using everything that you see in my unboxings I use, or I may resell. But I don't like having stuff sitting around just to sit around. But anyway, that's the video. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Subscribe if you're new. Like if you're already subscribed. And follow me on IG, all that good stuff. I'm out. Catch y'all next one. Peace.